Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I'm here with another design team project for Birch Press Designs. For today's project, I'm going to be using the Adoroa layer die set, along with the big birthday sugar script die, and also the Lingo thanks stamp set. I'm going to be using one of the small sentiments from that. So here is what the Adoroa looks like. Now, what's absolutely also great with this die is, see all those little hearts? They get cut out. They'd be great to hold on to. You'd have thousands of hearts. Great for a shaker, great for an embellishment. I'm just saying. When did I realize that? When I was doing the video. Just saying, because I had all these hearts all over. I am going to go with a very extreme set of colors for today's card. I am using black and two tones of gold mirror cardstock. One is a frosted gold and the other is a pure mirror cardstock there. So you can see now the black that I'm using too is also a type of specialty cardstock as well, but it is a matte finish black. So it's a mirror, but with a matte finish, if that makes sense. So here I am, I'm layering my pieces. Now, the beauty of this die also is that center ring comes out. It can detach. So you can either put these together just with the outer ring, you can just use the inner ring. So they are very versatile. For today's project, I will be putting these layers together and then putting that center back in. Now, what makes this dramatic, at least, again, in my opinion, is the fact that I'm using black with the gold, which I just think is very elegant. It's very regal, which also can make it a masculine type card that we are making. Even though we've got the mirror cardstock, I'm finishing out these layers with the black. So the gold isn't what's on top, the frosted or the mirrored. It is the black. Now, what I do like about this black is you get these layers, and here, yes, you can see the different layers of them and tell that they're hearts. But when I had it sitting down, you can tell my mat that I use when I film is black, of course. So looking at that, I'm like, okay, you know what? That's really cool. It looks like a gear. At least that's what I saw. So that made me, now you're going to see, now I could put this on an ivory. It would be absolutely gorgeous on an ivory cardstock. It would be absolutely wonderful on either the gold brushed cardstock or even the mirror. You could have that as its base. I actually chose the black. So you'll see that my card base is going to be a black standard A2 size card base. And you'll see what I mean. So I kind of went with that once I had this sitting on my mat. I just liked the look of it. It just looked to me like a gear, you know, like a steampunk gear, so to speak, almost, maybe a little bit. I don't know. It's what I saw. Sometimes our eyes work, sometimes they don't, maybe. So you can see this is completely together. And what's nice is this is something that you could make double-sided if you wanted to as well. So you can see when I put it onto the black cardstock, it does. It gives you, one of the things that I do love about these layered dies is, and I've said it in previous videos on my projects, is are the layers going down? Are the layers coming up towards you? It just gives you these illusions that you can see. So again, if I just stare at that real quick, it looks like a gear. If I focus in on it and stare at it, now, and you're all doing that now, right? Okay. I can see the hearts. I can see that black cardstock. It's just not prominent. So I really did like that look so much that when I used the big birthday sugar script die, The background, the cloud in the back, I call that the cloud, I did in black. And then I used the mirror gold for the word birthday. And I did not lose the I. It was wonderful, the dot for the I. So using the black, I wanted to make sure, because I'm going to straddle that right across my layered focal point. So by putting that black behind that gold, for me, it helped it to stand out. So this could be a birthday card for, I forget the year. Is it 50? That's the gold year. 25 silver is 50 the gold, I think. I should have checked that before. But tell me in the comments, is 50 the gold year? I thought there was one that's platinum. I don't know. Okay. Let me know below. So by putting that black there, you can see that birthday just comes across. So again, it could be male turning 50. It could be a female turning 50. It could be just somebody who loves this edgy look, male or female. So I think the card's very universal. It's different. It's very bold. But we always have to try new things, right? Right. Absolutely. So I pulled the small sentiment, or one of the smaller size ones, from the Lingo Thanks stamp set called Love and Hugs. So our whole sentiment will be birthday loves, love and hugs. Once I have that stamped, I am using my Versamark clear ink. This is a sticky ink that will allow me to use my gold embossing powder. And then I will, because I didn't have enough gold. I had to add more. Yes. And then I will heat set that until it is all melted and set. Yes, I always take my heat gun and I put it in my hand so I know what the heat is. I know it gives me something to do, just standing there waiting for it to heat up. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. It's very strange. I know. So I'm going to clean off my anti-static powder that I used to make sure that I didn't get it all over. And I just used one of my microfiber cloths to wipe that away. And that is our card. So again, a little different, a little edgy. And as always, here are the close-ups. So I hope you enjoyed this birthday card using the Adoroa layered die set from by Birch Press Designs. All the products that I used will be linked down below if you have any questions or comments, but please let me know. Is 50 gold? But what's the platinum? I can't remember. Make sure you put those down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I want to thank you so much for stopping by today and spending a little bit of time with me just to watch this video. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so that you don't miss the next video coming. I hope everyone having a great day. I hope your weather is awesome. Remember to take care, but always remember what's most important. Always be creative.